Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Apply paint on your hand and print it on the paper. Now draw the beak and eyes of the hen on the thumb portion. Similar way, draw the legs and draw some grass. We're also drawing little chicks around it. Color it as well. We're also using sponge for clouds and it's done. We're going to print the hand on the sheet of paper, flip it. We're going to make the legs of the dragon here. Similarly, draw the eyes and look, it's ready. Let's learn an easy way of making this beautiful drawing. So spread the paint and using a scale we're going to spread it like this. We're drawing little cats here using clay. We're drawing the eyes of the cat. Similarly, draw the smiley face using a marker and look, it's ready. You can also draw some random patches and it's done. Let's make an easy drawing. We're going to put the color on the green leaf and put it on the white sheet of paper. We're drawing a colorful worm as well using fingers. Draw the eyes and look, your drawing is ready. We are going to put the hand on the sheet of paper and you will get this beautiful shape. We are making a cactus here. Draw the flowers and paste the flower pot as well. Draw the smiley face and it's ready. Draw a line on the sheet of paper and use colorful colors and draw these circles on the top of the line. We are also going to spread it using this earbud and your feather is ready. Let's draw a cactus using easy method. So we are going to make prints using your fingers, draw the flowers and spines and look, it's ready. Cut a circle and we are going to make a bunch of these earbuds. After this, dab colorful colors on the top of it and spread it on the paper. We are drawing a colorful tree here. Draw the trunk of the tree using toothbrush. We are drawing the grass and it's ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.